Hello friends, this is my first video. I am a homemaker and an English learner. I am trying to improve my speaking, so I am sharing a small part of my daily life in simple English. Today I am making Indian masala chai. Let's start. I make chai using only two ingredients, fresh ginger and cardamom. They add flavor and little spice to the tea. First I boil water in a pan, then I add ginger and cardamom. I let them boil for 1 to 2 minutes. Now I add tea leaves and add a few pieces of mystery, which is rock sugar. Then I pour some milk. I let everything boil together for a minute or two until the color and smell are just perfect. Now the chai is ready. It smells fresh and spicy just the way I like it. Thank you for watching. I will be sharing more simple vlogs like this and practicing English with you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.